Welcome back to our manoeuvres series with Bella. In this video we'll be focusing on the reverse bay park, one of the 4 manoeuvres that you can be expected to get on your driving test. Now we'll break the process down into simple steps looking at vehicle positioning, steering technique, observations and how to finish accurately within the bay. So watch all of Bella's lessons, learn the techniques required for test day and how to keep a calm, structured approach that can make the manoeuvres much easier. So if you're enjoying the series, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with everyone learning to drive. Let's get started.
Now what we do here is I'm going to park by the bay I want to park into.
Okay.
And we're going to do the 45-degree method. Not this driving halfway down the road and reversing it backwards.
Okay.
Okay. That's my bay.
Yep.
I'm going to bring it up. Imagine that's a laser beam. And tell me when it sort of goes kind of just before your shoulders, across your neck, chest, that sort of thing.
Which, this one?
No, this line here.
Yeah, now.
It's about now. So that's our target. That's the way we're going to reverse it. So we bring it up, so that line's sort of firing across. Now we're still in first gear, looking around. I'm going to go literally full lock as quick as I can,
Yep.
round to 45 degrees, checking over my mirror there. Now, looking down the left-hand side,
Yep.
if I projected down the side of the car, I'm going round until the side of the car is pointing kind of in the middle of the bay.
Okay.
There. Pop it into reverse. Now, on this car,
That's quite helpful, isn't it?
you steer it to the left.
So the blue lines up with the...
Yeah, steer it to the blue line. Lines up with the lines. When I try to steer it, it's really not a problem. So do wheels like that, you got to go all the way around to that way. So keep going, turn to that. It's going to be about 3 turns of the wheel.
There?
No more. No, you're straight now.
Oh, am I trying to line it up?
Yeah, line it up.
with
You're going
the
to be
bay?
curving in, aren't we? There you go. Keep going, keep turning. A bit more. There you go. Pretty much full lock, isn't it? Now, the car's just going to go backwards following those blue lines. It's only going to go in the bay.
Mhm.
So do nothing until the car's straight. Whilst you're doing it, it gives an opportunity.
Look everywhere.
Look around there. You know where the car's finishing off. So you've got to get the clutch for me. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Now, easy, but look at me. Make sure you look around yourself. So you're going to bring it back and just make sure as you're looking around, just tip it in. So really, you're going to put it into that bay, and then if you want to go tighter to the bay, you steer it that way. If you want to go that way in the bay, you just unturn the wheel, drag it across. But it's looking good all the way around. A little bit of clutch control. Looking there as you're coming around there, keep your foot steady and unturning it 1.5 turns, dip the clutch, straight back, and then you can use the same reference for left and right because you're in the middle of the car.
Yeah.
Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. That'll do it. Not bad at all.
I'm in this time.
Well done.
Yeah.
Shall I have another go?
Yeah.
Slow. That's it. Turn. Full lock. Check the butt. Check over there if it swings round. That's important. Now really slowly. Look, it's going to line up. Stop. Just a little bit more. It's kind of in the middle of the bay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Stop there then. Yeah. Okay. To reverse. Keep your foot on the brake, otherwise the car will roll if it's on a
Yeah.
hill. Okay. Now let's bring it round. Now, if you want to be really sophisticated, get it moving a little bit, fine. But if you want to try and steer it, go for it. All the way around.
The examiner's not going to hate me.
I know you can.
Which one am I going in? This one?
That one, yeah.
Okay.
So what you're going to have to do here is go back and then turn into it a little
Yeah.
bit on this situation. So it's quite flexible, this. Okay, so looking around, just come off the brake. It should be rolling backwards. It's a bit of a hill. Move it back. Bring it back. So as it comes in, start turning it into the bay, into the bay, into the bay. Sharper, sharper, sharper. That's it. Looking around. Nice and controlled. That's it. You're over the line. No, so bring it round. Let's keep it moving if you can. And then straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it. Yeah, you just slightly overturned it, but you're still in the bay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's pretend this isn't in the bay.
Yep.
Yeah, conversation. Now, the thing is, you haven't really finished your manoeuvre until you've declared it finished.
Okay.
If you do it great and it's fine, the examiner will go, thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
And if he isn't great, he'll sit there, or she will sit there for a little while, and then might even do this and go, are you happy with that?
So if they ask if I'm happy, it's always no.
Not necessarily, well, it is, but the thing is, you can ask me to open the door and say, am I in?
Oh.
Yeah.
Am I in?
No.
Oh.
Would you like to adjust it?
Yes, please.
Excellent. Now then, we're going to get the adjustments done going forwards, looking left and right mirrors. So when we go backwards, you're just kind of hopefully going in a straight line. You don't have to adjust it by starting all over again.
Yeah.
It's just literally a little adjustment. So give that an adjustment. You are in, by the way, but let's pretend we're not. That's it. So slowly, look in there. So bring it up, straighten it up. Now try and use the clutch as the control, not braking, steering the. Okay, so you want to come a little bit to the left, don't we? Look, left, yeah, left, straighten it up. Okay, can you see the both lines in both mirrors?
Yeah, but
okay,
if I reverse now, I'm going to be over this one.
Okay, so you need to come this way a little bit as you go backwards then. Okay, pop it in reverse. That's it, bring it around, bring it backwards. That's it. That's it. Okay, here's right, he's got space. Okay, don't turn too much. It's quite subtle when you're going back. We're not going 90 degrees, are we? Okay, have a look in that mirror. We want to be closer that way, don't we?
Yeah.
Come on then. Keep the control. Steer it straight. Now, the only thing you needed there is probably a little bit more observations going around.
Yeah.
So a lot slower, just looking around. Cool as a cucumber. They get the idea?
Yeah.
Should I do one? Oh, yeah. One more time?
Yeah.
Over that shoulder, car's swinging out. That's really important, that check. Nice. Use the clutch to slow it down. Brake if you have to.
Ooh.
Okay.
Sorry.
Right. Okay. So, we have slightly over-rotated, haven't we?
Yes.
So, what we can do in this situation, you can either carry on, bring it around and go to the bay to the next swing. No problem. So let's do that. Bring it forward a bit. Looking around. This car what gives you the luxury of space. You won't get this much luxury. There we go. We go to that one instead, shall we?
Yep.
Easy. Right.
Brilliant.
Yeah, well, it's good. It's a good thing to remember that bit. Otherwise, you end up going where you came in. Well,
Wherever. Yeah, sorry, the lines disappeared. It threw me off.
oh, yeah, well, when it's straight, the blue lines disappear. Okay, that's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, look around. Off you go then. Now, not many car parks will give you this much luxurious space,
Yeah.
but because we can. We want to go slightly that way, don't we?
Yeah.
So steer it there. That's it, nice and steady. Looking around you again. Right, then straighten her up. That's it. Straight back. Looking around. So just go look. Once you've got an opportunity, just have a look around you. Gently stop. Oh, great. Fabulous.
Yeah. Okay.
From the back of the car, go more that way. Steer it that way.
Yeah.
Or it that way.
Straight across.
Yeah.
Full
Now,
lock. Angle.
yeah.
That.
Full lock out. Full lock in. I'm going to be putting this in the video, so it'll be a great review.
Okay.
So we're revising off it,
Yes.
and your mum can watch it and go, "Wow, what an instructor!" She teaches Bella anything's possible. That's what should be. No, I don't mean that.
Yeah, okay.
Drive up and drive around. We're going to go over there.
Okay.
It's a one-way
Can I go
system.
this way or
No,
go
it's a
this way?
one-way system. Imagine if I were the wrong way in the car park, I wouldn't hear the end of it, would I?
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.